Tezos value forecast is one of the most famous pursuit terms since Xtz unleashed ruin among crypto bears over the most recent few months. Before we jump into the stray pieces of this Tezos cost expectation, we should rapidly check what's really going on with Xtz. Tezos introduction. Tezos is a novel blockchain, another Ethereum executioner that was first proposed in a paper delivered in August 2014, with additional particulars reported in a white paper delivered in September 2014. The Tezos blockchain is planned with an emphasis on chain administration, permitting token holders to decide in favor of proposed changes to usefulness to try not to fork the organization. In 2015 the organizers, Kathleen and Arthur Breitman, laid out an organization called Dynamic Ledger Solutions, which was liable for compassing the underlying code for Tezos. At the center of this codebase is a self-correcting convention, a framework to formalize proposing, deciding in favor of, and carrying out changes to the usefulness of the organization. When a proposition has been made, holders of Tezos, Xtz tokens can cast a ballot with a weighting of 1 vote for each token. Tezos blockchain utilizes a changed variant of a designated verification of stake (POS) framework where stakers, called bread cooks inside the organization, can secure their tokens in return for the capacity to approve blocks. In Tezos' more fluid POS framework, clients can delegate tokens to bread cooks without moving proprietorship. Prizes for approving blocks are circulated to cooks as new Xtz tokens, with a corresponding measure of the award disseminated to wallets that have designated tokens to the dough puncher. This empowers more modest symbolic holders to take part in the approval and prize process in the event that they hold not exactly the expected sum to turn into a full bread cook. Our Xtz token price prediction for 2022. It is very evident that digital money value expectations ought to be thought about while considering other factors, however there are variables to pay special attention to that will in all likelihood have a direction on the future cost of the more extensive digital money market. This incorporates the level and nature of guidelines forced in ruling digital currency markets, the level of cryptographic money reception in the approaching year and past, the level of development in the digital currency fates market, the utility of tokens, and the capacity of the fundamental innovation to take care of certifiable issues. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unequaled high in the midst of the more extensive market drops, affected by seething expansion and US Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill and unexpected crypto spike. Crypto Vault Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and basic evaluation of each task. Concerning Xtz, the fame of their marking instrument and its job as a cost driver can't be sufficiently stressed. This is the significant positive cost force for Tezos, as increasingly more digital currency trades branch out into marking as administration. Tezos is routinely the main coin that is presented as a marking item. Coinbase, Xtz.io and presently Binance have all entered this area of crypto industry, and every one of them currently offer Tezos as the first marking coin on their foundation. Tezos cost forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022, Proceeding, we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Crypto Vault expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022, August 8.23%, $1.44. 2022, September 9.59%, $1.41. 2022, October 2.73%, $1.52. 2022, November plus 3.70%, $1.62. 2022, December plus 13.62%, $1.78. 2023, Jan plus 21.31%, $1.90. 2023, February plus 21.81%, $1.91. 2023, Mar plus 20.56%, $1.89. 2023, April plus 25.50%, $1.96. 2023, May plus 39.32%, $2.18. 2023, June plus 47.85%, $2.31. 2023, July plus 45.50%, $2.28. XTZ, price prediction 2025. Our forecast model sees XTZ coming to $15.17 in 2025. What will XTZ be worth in 5 years? The cost of XTZ in 5 years could lie around $3.48 as per Crypto Vault forecast model. Tezos price prediction 2030-2040. What Tezos will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Tezos coming to $37.94 in 2030. What Tezos will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees Tezos coming to $75.87 in 2040. Will Tezos surpass Bitcoin? No, Tezos won't supplant or surpass BTC. Might Tezos at any point reach $10? Indeed, Tezos could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Is Tezos worth purchasing? We are promoters of reasonably unsafe financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bin of large cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique situation, Tezos merits purchasing. Is Tezos a wise speculation? Tezos is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down, in view of the